The Obesity Code. These are the main takeaways from the book, but you should still read it. Chronically high insulin. Insulin resistance is the primary driver of obesity. To lose weight, this must be addressed. Cortisol, the stress hormone, is an important driver of obesity, largely due to its relationship to insulin. To treat chronically high insulin, in order of importance, from my interpretation of the book: reduce added sugars, refined carbs, etc., in the diet. Stop snacking. Fast, this is very important. Eliminate artificial sweeteners. Avoid processed foods. To treat cortisol, stress. Most important, get enough sleep, and get quality sleep. Exercise. Take up meditation/prayer. Enjoy time with family and friends. Avoid turning to TV, computer for relaxation. It doesn't actually reduce stress. Reduce stress by other means as you see fit. If you haven't already checked out Dr. Fung's writing and videos about keto and obesity, do it. If you did, and got something out of it, read this book. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Please check the links in the description.